getting away with our walkie-talkies!
And my new sword!
And Kevin's new sword!
What are they doing out here? They're headed straight for the... No!
Whoa, hold up!
Is everyone okay?
Guys? What's that noise?
Huh? This is stay back! Don't make me use this thing!
Badlands are no place for the likes of you.
Ram, look out!
I'll handle this! Yeah!
Wait, no! You're going to regret that. I don't feel so good.
That looks really bad.
Oh no! This is all my fault!
We've gotta get him out of here.
Everyone, grab a limb! Hurry! Guys, I think the ram is dying. At this rate, the venom will spread through his entire body in less than 24 hours.
What can we do?
I got him into this mess, and I think I know how we can get him out.
How'd you know that was there?
Did you get that marker?
Please hold all questions until after the presentation. Koala, monitor the clock and check in with everyone over our new walkie-talkies. Kraken and Dino, you two infiltrate the cultist lab. See if they have any antidotes.
Right.
I'll go alone to the master of poison himself, the Frog King. He's bound to know something. The ram doesn't have much time, and he's counting on us. Everyone know their assignment?
Got it.
Good. We've got a ram to save.
Come on. This place is seriously creepy.
Whoa. What do you think was in that?
Hey, that's the scorpion that stung the ram!
Aha! Look! That must be the antidote!
Did you hear that? There's someone in the research lab.
Dino! Quick, hide!
It hurts.
Oh no! Ram! Come on! Come on! Dino? Kraken? Huh, no answer. I better try Squid. Come in, Squid! Come in, Squid!
Sheesh, you don't have to yell.
Oh, sorry.
Take me to your leader?
My. No one's visited me in quite some time. State your business.
The ram was stung by a mutant scorpion. I was hoping you could help us?
Ha! It makes no difference to me whether the ram lives or dies.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Cute! Tell you what, kid. Since you've amused me so, I'll give you a little hint on how to save the ram.
I'm listening.
But only if you can solve my riddle.
Please hurry! Kraken and Dino. Got any updates?
I'm afraid they can't come to the phone right now.
Come on! You have to let me use the anti-venom to save the ram!
Yes. We overheard your little predicament. But I'm afraid the anti-venom is worthless without the Activator Stone.
Activator stone? What's that?
As if we'd tell you.
I'm okay.
Get on with the riddle, Frogger.
Very well. There is one object capable of safely administering a cure, but it's only fit for a king.
Can I get a hint?
Fine, I'll give you a hint, but you'll never get ahead thinking like that. You'll be green with envy when you figure it out. You might even say...
Yoink!
What the? No fair! Get back here!
Sorry, but I'm in a bit of a rush. Guys, there you are. Any luck?
We found some anti-venom!
But it's no good without an activator stone. Whatever that is.
Activator stone? That's it!
What's it?
I'll explain later. We don't have much time. Ram, we're here!
I'm sorry, guys. He's gone. We were too late?
Ram! No!
No! The Ram didn't give up on us. I'm not going to give up on him. Hand me that anti-venom. Sorry about this, Ram.
You saved me. Thank you.